Hey y'all, so here is a requested video. You all asked me how I do my mockups and if I can make a tutorial showing you how I create my mockup. So here is this video that you all requested. So now you're going to see me open a Canva. The size that I'm using is a 1080 by 1080 pixel document size. And then I'm going to just get my background that I use for my flyers. And first thing you saw me did was change the color of the background so it matches the color of the flyer. And then I add the background on top, and then I turn the transparency down. Okay, now you're going to see me get the actual flyer that I designed. I uploaded it back into Canva. Okay, now I like to do the two side-by-side images for the background. And I just put them side-by-side. I kind of just eye it, basically. You probably look like, oh, it don't really look right. But when you move it to the middle, it's just for like a little texture. I love texture when it comes down to my mockups and my backgrounds. I love texture. I hate a plain background. Like, I got to have some type of images or something, especially for my mockups. So those two images that you see me put on top of each other, I turned the transparency down a little bit. Now I'm going to get the third flyer design and I'm going to put it on the top. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger to where it looks like they are stacked up on top of each other. Now you're going to see me go to elements and I'm going to grab a square that I already used in my recents. And I'm going to size it down and stretch it out wide. This is going to be my border at the bottom of the page. This is where I put my site and basically what it is, just to give it, you know, a little bit of extra touch. Also, to group something, it's best if you have like a mouse. So you're going to hold your left clicker down outside of the document, hold it down and drag it across the images that you want to group or move together and release the left click. Now you're going to see me get this mock-up print design that I used previously. I'll do another more in-depth tutorial showing you how I got it, but I literally went to the apps in Canva and then I searched mockups, and then under mockups it's going to have different sections, and you go into the print section and then you find the print that you want to use for your mockup. So that's what I did, and I just dragged another flyer in that mockup that I did and I hit duplicate, and then I turned it a little bit just to give it a little bit of a tilt, you know, just to give it a different side of the flyer shown on the design. Now this part is optional, but this is how I get that drop effect on my top image. So you're going to click the image, go to edit, go down on the shadows, and then you're going to go to glow. Okay, when you go to glow, it's going to outline that entire image as you can see here in the video. So now I can size it up a little bit and it gives it a little bit more depth. Now for the most part of my flyers and my mockups, I use Antonio. Also, if you see those three lines to the right of the font, you click that and that is how you start a font. So if you have fonts that you like to use mostly or majority of the time, you can start them and it will create a section called starred fonts, and it will create a section for your starred fonts in Canva. So I'm going to Antonio, I'm going to double click all of my text, and then you are going to see me here. I'm going to type in the title of my flyer, my mockup. So this is the beauty flyer template. I'm going to click the T, highlight everything, and I'm going to squeeze these letters together. Okay, and now you're just going to see me add the rounded rectangle, and I'm going to size it down and stretch it out a little bit. And at the top, I'm going to put my site. At the top, this is 100% optional. This is just how I like to do mine. I want to show you all a little kind of step-by-step tutorial on how I do my mockups. And I think the black was a little too harsh, so I went ahead and I kept it, I changed it to white. So now I'm going to go back to add a text, and then you're going to see me grab Futura or Poppins. That is my main two fonts, main two. But for this one, I use pop-ins, and then I use the drop down and I put it on lights. Now you're going to see me type in my website, and I'm going to put that at the top where the white outline is. I'm going to highlight everything, and I changed it because it was a little too thin. I'm going to click the T, and I'm going to stretch out the text to where it's across the board as much as possible. And then I'm going to hit duplicate, and I'm going to go down. I'm going to keep my site, and then the front of my site, I'm just going to put beauty flyer template. And right here, you're going to see me size it down a little bit because obviously I don't want two lines. I want everything to be on one line. So I'm going to size it down a little bit to where the text is not overpowering on the bottom border. And now you have your tutorial to show you how I do my mock-ups for my invites and my flyers.